$KOLS. KOLScan by Virtuals Token Crypto Coin. How to buy KOLScan KOLS Base AI Agent Uniswap Virtual. How to buy KOLScan by Virtuals Token KOLScan. Sup everybody, Helper Dog here. Stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today, we're going over the KOLScan by Virtuals token, ticker symbol KOLScan. This token is available on the base chain and is gaining popularity fast. They've got a solid 24-hour trading volume, up 134% today, and you can find this token on platforms like BaseScan, DEX Tools, or DEX Screener. We're going to go over all the important information on this token and how you can get it, but first, a quick disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is strictly just information for you to consider. Always do your own research before investing, especially in crypto, as it can be volatile. Now, let's get into it. The KOLScan by Virtuals token is listed on BaseScan, and according to their BaseScan, they have 2,380 holders and 18 decimal places on this token. The project started with a total supply of 1 billion tokens, and it's deflationary. The current max supply is 999,334,000 tokens. The token is available on Uniswap, and while it's not brand new, it's still relatively fresh. It was first listed on Uniswap about a month ago, but it's already doing strong with a 134% increase today. Right now, they have a 24-hour trading volume of $88,200 and 2,292 transactions today. Their market cap is $2.3 million, and the fully diluted valuation is also $2.3 million. The token price is $0.0023 USD, and they have $59,000 worth of liquidity on Uniswap. How to buy KOLScan by Virtuals KOLScan. To buy this token, here's what you need to do. Get a wallet that supports Base tokens. You'll need a wallet that supports Base tokens. You can use Coinbase Wallet, Trust Wallet, or MetaMask. Fund your wallet with ETH or Base tokens. You can either bridge ETH to Base or purchase Base directly from a centralized exchange. Find the token on Uniswap. Once your wallet is funded, go into the dApps section and open Uniswap. To find the correct token, you can use the contract address, which can be found on their Telegram or Virtuals page. You can also find it on DEX Screener, DEX Tools, or BaseScan. Always make sure you have the right contract address to avoid mistakes. Enter the amount and swap. Once you've pasted the contract address and selected the KOLScan by Virtuals KOLScan token, enter the amount you want to buy. After that, choose a provider like Jupiter. You'll need to review the details and then click swap. Slippage and gas fees. In terms of slippage, it seems there isn't a need to adjust it, but you will need to pay a small amount of gas fees when buying Base tokens off Uniswap. Just be aware of that. Additional information. You can find the contract address easily on their Telegram or Virtuals page, linked in their pinned tweet. They also have an embedded DEX Screener chart, showing the contract address and more details about the token. They have 2 official Twitter accounts. At Korkin, official account with news about KOLScan. At KAN.ai, the automated AI-powered Twitter account for the KOLScan project. Project Vision. KOLScan is focused on providing a unique way to track market trends using blockchain analytics. The project aims to observe, track, and interpret the buying and selling habits of KOL, key opinion leader, wallets. This data could give users insights into emerging trends, market sentiment shifts, and the actions of influential players in the crypto space. The vision includes trend spotting, observing patterns where influential wallets may begin acquiring specific tokens, sentiment shifts, identifying when there's a notable uptick in wallet activity, signaling a shift in sentiment, strategy insights, analyzing how influential players diversify their portfolios and helping users align their strategies. KOLScan is in its early stages, but it's an ambitious project with a strong focus on providing deeper insights into the crypto world using AI and blockchain technology. Conclusion. So, what do you think about the KOLScan by Virtuals token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for daily crypto updates where I cover the latest coins, tokens, and their utility. Thanks for watching, and have a great day out there. Peace out. Victory Hand.